Hello again, this is Tunde. I'm just trying to document how I use Trello as a workflow tool to create my YouTube video content. There's no script here. I'm just speaking off the top of my head, and I want to see how this is going to work out. So this is just a test with Camtasia Studio 2024. So usually when I want to create a task, I go to this task template column on Trello, and then I click on this one. I think that's a version 2, V2. I need to delete that one. And then I go to create card from template. When I want to, then I edit this text box here. So this should be the first video, should be part 1 for my internet in the nutshell video series. And then all of this I'm going to start with the topic of IP addressing. I'm going to do that in all caps. And then, I'm just going to create a card, I guess. All right, so it gets created. I skipped one step there. I should have said it should be created in the task, in the to-do list. But here it is anyway, still in the task templates. I'm going to drag it to do. So if we click on that and open it, we can see that it's created IP addressing, part 1, IP addressing, and we have this checklist items. So with some, this will be considered done if all of these have been completed. But the thing is, all of these are also major tasks on their own. So we need to expatiate on that. And that's where the concept of the attach process comes into play. This is a Trello power up I use, there's another board where I created all the templates and the cards and how they work. I'll show you that in another video. But here I just click on attach process. And this is the content creation process template I've created. And when I click on that, it's going to generate all the cards with their respective checklist items on the Trello board. So you can see here, if we scroll down a bit, research exercise was one of the checklist items. If you go on top here, research topic is there. Next one is script for video written, write script, storyboard developed, there it is, storyboard, PowerPoint presentation, and all that good stuff. But the thing is, if you click on one of these, it's actually a card on its own also. As you can see, research internet in a nutshell, part 1, it generated all of that automatically. And the checklist items are here to complete that task. Then you click back on this main task to go back to the process itself. Same thing if you go to, let's say, create PowerPoint slides. You see, it's a task on its own, a card on its own, and it has all the checklist items there. So, but if I close all of this, you can see that all of them actually have been generated in the backlog section of the board. So you can just go and drag or start one like research. I want to start with the first one, research, the topic, and I just move that to in progress, for example. Okay, I cannot remember how to do that. All right, so you're gonna move that to the in progress. There you go. And then it's there. So that means I've started working on it. And yes, and the way I configure this board, once I start one of them, it moves the main issue also to in progress. So I'll look at all of that again very soon. So thank you for watching, and I hope this was useful. Cheers.